In the vast, silent theater of the cosmos, a quiet discovery has stirred the hearts of astronomers. A newly found planet, known as Proxima B, has taken center stage. It orbits the star closest to our Sun, and it might just hold answers to one of humanity's greatest questions. Could this distant world support life? Could we, someday, call it home? Thanks to the incredible eyes of the James Webb Space Telescope, we now have the sharpest image ever captured of this alien world. And what it reveals is breathtaking. Set against the black canvas of space, Proxima B shines not with light but with possibility. Orbiting a dim red star called Proxima Centauri, this planet lies only 4.2 light-years away, our nearest known exoplanet. In cosmic terms, that's practically our next-door neighbor. The planet is rocky, similar in size to Earth, and sits inside what scientists call the habitable zone, where temperatures might allow for liquid water. It's close enough to its star to stay warm, yet not so close that it would burn. But this isn't a paradise just yet. Proxima B orbits its star in just 11.2 Earth days, incredibly fast. That speed means it's likely tidally locked, with one side always facing the star in eternal daylight, and the other side locked in endless night. Imagine standing on a world where the sun never rises or never sets. Scientists first detected Proxima B using the radial velocity method, a clever technique that spots a planet by measuring how it tugs on its star, ever so slightly. By observing tiny shifts in the star's light, astronomers realized something massive was pulling on it, an unseen world. That invisible world was Proxima B now. With the help of James Webb's infrared sensors, we're peering closer than ever before. The telescope can detect heat, gases, and even chemical signs that might hint at life. Early observations suggest that Proxima B could have a thin atmosphere, maybe even signs of carbon dioxide or water vapor. But it's far from confirmed. You see, Proxima Centauri isn't a calm star like our Sun. It's a flare star, prone to violent outbursts of radiation that could strip a planet of its atmosphere. Without protection, any life on Proxima B would be exposed to intense ultraviolet blasts. It would take a strong magnetic field or a deep ocean to offer shelter from that cosmic violence. Still, researchers haven't given up hope. They believe Proxima B might have pockets of habitability, maybe on its twilight edges, where day meets night. Or deep beneath its surface, in warm underground oceans. The discovery of Proxima B has lit a fire in the hearts of scientists around the globe. Not just because it might support life, but because it's close enough that we could actually send something there. Right now, using conventional rockets, it would take over 70,000 years to reach it. But with futuristic technology like laser-driven light sails, we might reach Proxima B in just 20 years. Tiny spacecraft, no bigger than a postage stamp, riding beams of light at 20% the speed of light. The age of interstellar exploration could begin in our lifetime. And Proxima B might be the first chapter. But even if we never reach it, the search itself transforms us. It teaches us humility and boldness. It reminds us that Earth may not be the only cradle of life. The universe is ancient, vast, and alive with potential. And thanks to our advancing technology, the fog is starting to lift. One day, we may look up at the night sky, point to that tiny dot beside Proxima Centauri, and say, "There's our second home." Until then, Proxima B remains a cosmic question mark, daring us to imagine, to dream, and to keep looking up. Because the journey to understand in the infinite wilderness of space, silence echoes louder than sound. With billions of galaxies, trillions of stars, and even more planets, the question arises, where's everybody? If intelligent life is out there, why haven't we heard a whisper? This is the haunting mystery known as the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who once asked over lunch, if the universe is so big and so old, why haven't we seen any aliens yet? We send signals. We build telescopes. We scan the skies. And yet, nothing. Not a transmission. Not a radio ping. Not even a flicker of artificial light in the void. So, where are they? Let's explore the most fascinating, and sometimes frightening, theories behind the Great Silence. Theory 1. We're the first. Maybe life is rare. Really rare. It took 4.5 billion years for intelligent life to evolve on Earth. Maybe the conditions needed, oceans, stable climate, magnetic fields, plate tectonics, or a cosmic lottery. Maybe we hit the jackpot first. And right now, we're the only voice in a silent universe, destined to speak before anyone else. Theory 2. They're too far. The universe is massive. Even our nearest star system, where Proxima B orbits, is 4.2 light-years away. That's 40 trillion kilometers. Messages, even at the speed of light, would take years to travel. And what if advanced civilizations are on the other side of the galaxy? It could take thousands of years for their signals to reach us, if they're sending them at all. Maybe they're out there. But the distance is too vast for conversation. Theory 3. They're listening, not talking. What if alien civilizations are doing exactly what we're doing? Listening. Waiting. Watching. But no one wants to speak first. They fear alerting others, including dangerous civilizations, to their presence. A kind of cosmic Cold War, where everyone stays silent, just in case someone's listening, and not friendly. Theory 4. The zoo hypothesis. A wild idea, but surprisingly popular among scientists. What if Earth is like a nature preserve? An experiment. And advanced aliens are observing us, quietly, without interfering. We're not advanced enough yet. Not united. Not peaceful. So they watch from afar, waiting for the day we evolve, socially, morally, technologically, before making contact. To them, we may be the equivalent of children with matches. Curious, but not ready. Theory 5. We're not ready to understand. Imagine trying to explain the internet to an ant. Now imagine trying to understand a civilization millions of years ahead of us. Their technology, their thoughts, their way of communicating, might be completely beyond our comprehension. Maybe the signals are there, but we don't recognize them. Maybe they use physics we haven't discovered. Or maybe, they exist in dimensions we can't yet access. Theory 6. The Dark Forest. This one is chilling. Inspired by a sci-fi novel, the Dark Forest theory says, every civilization in the universe is like a hunter in a dark forest. They stay hidden. Because if anyone makes noise, they risk being eliminated. You can't trust strangers in the dark. So the safest option is to stay silent. Or shoot first. It suggests the universe isn't quiet because there's no one there, it's quiet because everyone is scared. But what if we're just too early? Think about it. Our radio signals have only been traveling through space for about 100 years. That means only civilizations within 100 light years could have heard us, a tiny sliver of the Milky Way. Maybe we're just getting started. In cosmic time, humanity is an infant. The real conversations? They may start 1,000 years from now. And maybe, just